Today, I will show you how to change Authenticator app on Kraken. And if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe. Now, to change your Authenticator app on Kraken, you must first disable the current 2FA settings and then set up a new one. Now, to do that, what you're going to do is you're going to go to the far right where there's an icon that shows your display image. You're going to click on it. And from here, you're going to go to security. Now on the security page, you're going to see on the right where it says sign in two-factor authentication. That's 2FA. And you're going to come to the Authenticator app of it and you're going to click on the three dots right next to it and you're going to click on remove. Now once you remove, it's going to give you the option. This is going to remain empty and it's going to give you the option to add another Authenticator app, and you can go through that process to add another Authenticator app. There are some important considerations that you need to look at. If you can't access your old Authenticator app, you will need to perform a 2FA reset through Kraken's support portal. Now, this involves an identity verification process to ensure your account security. Now, some authenticator apps such as Google Authenticator also offer backup codes for emergencies. However, these codes are specific to the Google account and do not directly work with third-party apps like Kraken. Now, alternatively, also, Kraken recommends setting up a master key for backup access. You can also use pass keys or global settings lock for additional security. Now, that's how to change 2FA on Kraken. If you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.